Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to enable screen recording on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Control Center on your iPhone by scrolling down from the top right corner on your phone. In the Control Center menu, you'll see a list of included and available controls. Look for screen recording in the list. It looks like a circle with a dot inside. Tap on the screen recording icon to start recording. A 3-second countdown will appear. After the countdown, your screen recording will begin. Everything on your screen will be recorded. To stop recording, open Control Center again and tap the screen recording icon. Your screen recording will be saved to the Photos app. To see your screen recording, open the Photos app on your phone. Here you can view, edit, or share your screen recording. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and used screen recording on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.